Bezos takes space battle against Musk to court. Musk slams Bezos' technology. The first thing you'd want to do is cancel it. Ooh, war of words. Billionaire battle.
I think the first, space battle, space war.
A boxing match in space. Pay-per-view exclusively on Triller.
Absolutely. I think the first beef that they had was when NASA decided to choose SpaceX to create their lunar lander. So they got approval and they got exclusivity for that. And obviously Blue Origin was pretty pissed about it. And then they made an infographic saying that SpaceX is, they're not built right. And it can cause a lot of damage if they were to land. So this beef was just like back and forth. But this is the infographic here. And with Elon kind of being cheeky with it, saying the sad thing is that even if Santa Claus suddenly made their hardware real for free, the first thing you'd want to do is cancel it.
Shots fired.
Yeah. I just think that, they should have a real space battle. That's really much it.
How does that work? How do they have a space battle? What does it
Like you
entail?
said, a boxing. It has to be one-on-one.
It is a literal boxing match in space.
And streamed
Yeah.
everywhere.
What kind of numbers do you think that would do? Just everybody? Just everyone in the world is watching?
Yeah.
Let's check the ratings. It's everyone. We did it, humanity. We found the content that everyone really wants. It's everyone is in there.
Make it free and
Then everybody gets it.
Uh-huh.
Well, they wouldn't make it free. I mean, they could pay-per-view in there.
Sponsored by Richard Branson.
Make a few behind the... No, I don't know. Is he in the announcer? Or no, he's on the undercard.
Who is he facing?
I don't know who he's mad at. He was racing Bezos too. He's got to be mad. He's pals with Elon.
Oh, okay. So
he's pals with Elon because they got that photo together.
Yeah, Bezos needs a boy to help him out.
Who does he get? He gets Gates? I think we already talked about this.
Sure, yeah.
No, he's too old now. Who's a young CEO that could... Young-ish. I don't even know who's the youngest out of these guys. Probably Bezos. No. Probably Elon.
You think Elon?
Is younger than Bezos? I think so. Yeah, I think so. 50 versus... Yeah, he's got to be younger than Bezos. 57. Yeah, all right.
Oh.
Yeah, he's younger than Bezos. Come on, man. Okay. Gates is 65. We need someone in the same range there. Oh, maybe Bezos' wife can fight Mackenzie? Gates' wife because they both got divorced recently.
Oh, okay.
Mackenzie versus Melinda.
Yeah.
That's the undercard.
Okay.
Now we're paying money for that.
Yeah, I'll definitely pay for that.